eSadhya, an adaptable and accessible e-learning framework for children with mild mental retardation and autism, supported by E-Learning Division, Department of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. The tool was developed with domain support from NIMH and various special schools through interactions with special educators by understanding the domain needs. We arrived at the architecture by consolidating the requirements into well-defined modules. The architecture was developed comprising of the following modules: child profile, case history, assessment tools, individualized education plans, lesson creation and evaluation, content repository, apart from the child learning environment. For domain support, an MOU was signed with NIMH Hyderabad. The developed tool was demonstrated at various workshops and conferences. We are presenting the glimpse of the opinion expressed about the need of e-learning tool.
Our effort to include use information technology, mobile phones and other media, mass media things for intellectual disability to empower the persons and families has been abysmal. I'm glad to see that in the program tomorrow, CDAC is presenting a program in this area, and I hope this will be taken up by NIMH also.
We presented a paper at National Conference on Intellectual Disability conducted at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. CDAC exhibited the tool in the conference. We have conducted 3 master trainer workshops training the special educators.
We are very happy with our paper and pencil work, but now is the time we need to train our fingers to work differently by using the computers, because we can save almost 60% of the burden off our shoulders. This is what my personal experience has been.
Coming to the features of the tool, it is an Indianized e-learning solution. The teaching and learning process followed in special schools in India is adapted, supporting multimedia-based lessons using games, stories, videos, etc. There is a provision to record voice of the special educator, as well as various mobile components are embedded. An awareness web portal has also been implemented, which supports as a platform for interaction among parents and special educators. Presenting the screenshots of eSadhya. Starting with capturing the case history of the child. The tool supports diagnostic tools like Indian Scale for Assessment of Autism. Other standard assessments include FACP, Functional Assessment Checklist Programming, MDPS, Madras Developmental Programming System, GLAD, Grade Level Assessment Device, which are used for children throughout the academic year. To keep track of their progress is done through the reports generated by the tool. Decision Support System is the machine intelligence that is built into the framework that automatically suggests the lessons based on the profile of the child. Lessons are created using authoring tool by the special educator, which can be personalized for each child. Coming to the child environment, this is the place where the child can log in and take the lessons. The lessons covers fun and learning, comprehension, quiz, songs, videos, YouTube and games. Chat and whiteboard options are also available. The child environment teaching strategy is adapted from the well-known special education teaching methodology of applied behavioral analysis (ABA) and discrete trial training (DTT), where the child is encouraged through tokenized reinforcement and is given prompts when there is a lack of response. There are various modules such as comprehension, matching, ordering, multiple choice single answer in the tool to teach the child according to the special education teaching methodology. Apart from this, games, videos, songs can also be personalized. The mobile component of the tool, parents can upload images and voice, record the narration of various events and can create mobile supported speaking albums, functional reading tools, etc. Speaking albums, we can create social stories, scan mobile to play, argument photos with friends.
I am 7 years old.
Create audio-visual schedulers, teach through 3D objects. Workshops and feedbacks. These are the screenshots of various workshops and the demonstrations given. Feedbacks from demonstration. Dr. Ramani, former director NCST, said, "Keep up with the good work. A visit to FAME by your team working with mentally challenged children would be useful." It is a team effort by various contributors covering PRSG experts, domain experts and implementation team. Thank you.